Hi, my name is Nicole Naditz, and this time I'll be showing you how to make what's called a secret book. This book is almost more of a pamphlet, and it actually has secret compartments in it that only those who know how to open them can actually find. Okay, so as we said, to make the secret book, you'll need two pieces of paper that are different colors. It's important that the students are able to write on both colors, but for this video, we've chosen two very different colors, a dark purple and yellow. Start with one piece of paper, fold it in half, and then, following the crease that you have down the middle, fold each side into that crease. And go ahead and make a nice strong crease each time. And cut that first paper into the strips following the creases that you've made. Okay, so we're gonna just cut these down. Later we'll see if we have to trim a tiny bit extra off the edges for this to fit right. And then we'll set these aside. We'll come back to them in a minute. Take your other piece of paper. We're going to fold this one in half also. We're going to open it and we're going to fold it to the middle as well, but we're not going to cut it the same way. So we have a nice strong crease on each end. Now, instead of cutting it in strips, I'm going to fold it back in half again. But this time it's very important to notice where my crease line is on each side, because I'm going to cut from the fold across to that crease. You can cut as few as 3 times or more, but the more you cut, the more sections you will have to create assignments for. So I'm going to do just 3. I'm going to stop here so you can see I started cutting at the fold going toward that center crease like this. And I cut through both sides of the paper, like that when it opens. So I'm going to close it back up. I'm going to cut it 2 more times. Remember, this is to make a secret book, so when we're done, it's going to have a secret or a series of secret compartments. I didn't make these quite the same size, but it actually doesn't matter that much. So now I've made all of my creases, and I have these flaps going down the center of the book. Now what we're going to do is a little bit like basket weaving. We're going to take one of the strips and we're going to insert that strip over, under, pull it through from the bottom, back over, and then under, like so. And then for the other strip, we're going to do the opposite. So here the purple is visible, so on this side I want the yellow to be visible first. Like I said, it's a little bit like basket weaving. So I'm going alternating now, yellow then purple. And of course I need yellow again. So I'm going to open up that strip right here. This is where sometimes we find we have to cut a little bit extra off. And then I'm going to reach through and grab from here. There we go. And just pull it straight down so that they alternate. Now, as I said, this is a secret book with secret compartments, but you can't tell how. This is the front cover. Here's our inside and our back cover. So I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to write on some of these sections so that you can see how there are pieces of the book we can't see yet. Okay. So as you know, this is our front cover, so I'm just going to put front on it. This is our back and our back. Okay, and we have inside left and we have inside right. Left, right, left, right, left, and right. But if we open this differently, all of a sudden we go fold it backwards and move our fingers through the center, we now have a whole new series of sections where I haven't written anything. These are one set of secret compartments where the students can write things about songs, for example, that aren't evident the first time someone listens. They can write about symbolism and meaning that's between the lines instead of what's obvious. There's also another set. We'll do set 1 just so you can see. I'll number all of these number 1. There's even another set, however, of secret compartments on the back. So let's fold this and run our fingers down the side, what looks like it's just the fold of the book. And there we have a whole nother series of secret compartments. So you can see if you wanted to, you could assign many different things for students to write or draw in these spaces based on whatever they're studying in class or songs or literature. So again, you open it up to get to the secret compartment, kind of fold it backwards and just run your fingers down the middle and it opens up to one set. And if you need more or want to use more, close the book, go down the fold of the left-hand side, and there's your second set of secret compartments. And that's how you make a secret book.